Hi, welcome to Sumery P. I have another Christmas special, especially for you. Swiss Christmas cookies. I'm making them in a star shape today. So if you want a simple cookie recipe to whip up before Christmas, come with me and let's see. So here we have all of our ingredients. We've got some ground almond meal, caster sugar, cocoa powder, icing sugar, zest of an orange, which is optional. I've made them without that and they still taste good. Some spices, extra sugar for dusting, vanilla, and egg whites. That's it. So let's get mixing. So you see here, I'm using my KitchenAid to mix everything together. I've got it and it's simple. So let's do it with that. If you don't have a KitchenAid, you can use your trusty wooden spoon. So let's just throw everything in. You just put everything in together. So we've got almond meal, we've got our caster sugar, our sifted icing sugar, we've got sifted cocoa powder, we've got our 2 teaspoons of mixed spice, and we'll put the vanilla in, that's 1 teaspoon, and I zested 1 orange, so popping that in. Mix that all together so it's combined. Now we're going to add the egg whites. We're just going to throw them all in and then let that mix until it forms a dough. As you can see here, we've got our biscuit dough all mixed together. So we need to just get that out of the bowl. Just scraping off the chocolate. Just take our dough hook off. So I have some prepared cling wrap or plastic wrap here. So I'm going to take the mixer and pop it in the cling wrap. Just double check that it's all mixed together. It's a bit sticky, but yeah, we've got a little bit of dough or ground almonds not mixed. So one thing I should have mentioned, I'm just going to dust my fingers with some cocoa powder. I think it will look better than dusting them with flour. Oh, so much better. Okay, handy hint. Dust your hands with cocoa powder. So forming a ball, or round disc rather, flattening it out. We just wrap the plastic on top and just squeeze it out a little bit more. We just need to rest that in the fridge to chill. Look at my yucky hands. let it chill for an hour and then we'll come back. So I have my disc of chocolate biscuit dough, which I'm going to just pop in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Hi, we're back with our cookie dough. So now we need to roll it out between 2 baking sheets. I've got 3 different shaped stars, so I'm going to do the middle shape. Now I'm going to bake these in my oven. Mine are quite thin today, so last time I baked them for, what was it, 10 to 12 minutes. But I'm going to try doing them slightly undercooked, so they're a little bit chewier. So let's try for 8 minutes. So I'll continue cutting some more while the other ones are baking. They're traditionally made with a flower kind of shape, but I like the little stars because it makes it look very Christmassy. Little handy hint, if this is getting sticky, just pop it in some water. So if you just dip it in water, then it's easier to keep cutting the dough. It doesn't stick so much. Then once you've used all your dough, you need to re-roll it and use up the rest. So one thing I forgot to do with the other ones, I didn't dust them with the extra sugar. So I'm just going to can dust the others as soon as they come out of the oven. So we'll just leave these to one side and we'll wait for the other ones to cook. So my timer is going off and I'm just going to get the first tray out of the oven. They look delicious. So this time, for the second tray, I've dusted them with the sugar, which I forgot first time. So we'll pop those in that 8 minutes as well. And if you forgot the sugar, you can just add it now. I'm just going to grab a little teaspoon. So while they're still hot, we'll sprinkle some of the sugar on top. And here are our cute little star cookies. So as soon as they're a little bit cooler, we'll do a little test, maybe give them 10 minutes. I've got my delicious samples here. It's going to do a taste test. I think the 8 minutes is perfect in my fan forced oven. They're still chewy in the middle, a little bit like a chocolate meringue. Delicious. You can taste the orange and the spice, and definitely got a Christmas vibe. You should try baking these at home. These are so good. So if you've liked my video today, hit the like button, thumbs up, and subscribe. And see you next time. Better get the other tray out of the oven. Bye. Thank you for watching today. Please comment below if you've tried this recipe and you like what you've made. And if you've got any ideas on anything that you'd like me to make, please let me know. Send me a message. See you next time.